so cute. Whoops. Oh, so cute.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it actually. Oh, look! Can you see?
This is where I wanna be, nah, nah, nah. Never ever gonna leave, nah, nah, nah. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, nah, 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 nah.
Our living room has turned into the unofficial playroom for the moment. We just got this huge Barbie dream house yesterday. It is ginormous. So we already had a Barbie dream house, but Barbie sent us this one, which is the newest one, and it's even bigger.
Inside this present, Kitty. You want
What?
to
The
sleep
kitty's
inside?
sleeping inside a present?
Yeah.
I don't know if the kitty...
Because she always misses the house around when I am asleep.
Oh, okay.
That's why she has to sleep
So
inside
she has to sleep inside a present. I don't think that'll be very comfortable.
Well, it is comfortable to her. Well, good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Oh yeah, I forgot to take off my shoes.
Oh, yeah, you don't go to bed with your shoes on. You're a good dancer.
Thanks.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, I come here lots of times.
Oh. Hey, what's your sign?
Come away, Booster.
Okay.
Think of another time. I want to dance with my kitty.
Okay, I'll leave you guys to dance on your own. Ah!
You full of my bow, kitty.
Oh.
Here.
We are here. Here is the swimming pool. So we're going swimming for the first time since this whole lockdown stuff. Someone is clearly excited.
That's my daughter in the water. Everything she owns, I bought her. Everything she owns.
You're swimming! Kick, kick, kick,
That's
kick,
my
kick.
daughter in
Kick
the water.
really hard.
Everything she knows, I taught her.
That was fun, I
Everything she
told you.
knows. Everything I say, she takes the heart.
I am having a bad hair day. Thanks for pointing it out.
I'm
You gonna
making
fix it up?
It looks good here, Dave.
Oh, thanks, Zoe.
Looks good on now.
Thanks.
She owns a butter, everything she owns. That's my daughter in the water. Everything she knows, I taught her.
Should I stand there?
You're gonna stand on top of me? What? No, not on top of me. Oh, you're standing here. Okay, you can just stand here on your tippy toes. Well, I think we need to go and pick your sister up from school.
Hello! It's Ava Zoe Vlog here, and I just want to tell you, our new channel is called Ava and Zoe Cheeky.
It is not called Ava and Zoe Cheeky. It is called
It's
Jamie
called-
Perkins, and you guys feature in the videos.
Smells so good.
It does smell beautiful.
That almost made me sneeze.
Tip, maybe you're allergic to it.
I can't get off.
Okay, get down. No, you
get down to Ava.
They look so beautiful. There's some petals on the ground, Dada. I want
Take a petal, but don't pull any flowers off, okay?
I get to take a petal home of them.
How to launch and fly a kite.
Number one rule is to stand with your back to the wind. You'll never launch the kite if you're facing the wrong way.
Oh, look! Whoa!
They're flying.
It nearly went up.
These two have literally given up faith that I'm going to get this kite in the air. They're just doing their own thing. Guys! Seriously, where is the wind? This is Melbourne. This is supposed to be a windy city. One time you want wind, it doesn't come. Come on, wind! Come on, wind! Gotta prove to my kids I can do this. Oh, you had it in the air for a second there. So we just got home and I'm about to cook tacos, Taco Thursday. I say that like it's a regular thing. This is actually gonna be the first time that the kids have tried tacos because they're very fussy eaters. They don't venture outside of their comfort zone all that often, but I'm trying to expand their palate gradually. I was like this as a kid, so I feel like this is my karma, the whole fussy eaterness. But yeah, we're gonna be making tacos tonight, so hopefully the kids will like them. A bit of corn, there we go.
Is that enough corn?
Yep.
No tomato in my remember.
Okay, no tomato for either of you guys. You need a little bit of meat.
Dad, you notice this actually feels a little bit heavy. That's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna live to dance and eat this.
You can't have sausages and potatoes every night.
I want to make it. Yummy, in my tummy. Is that okay, but I don't have any lettuce at all in mine?
That's okay. Good morning, guys. It is a very rainy day today. A week and a bit ago, the kids and I got in a tiny car accident, didn't we, Zozo? I was leaving a petrol station. As I was leaving the exit lane, I guess the guy behind me assumed I had gone. He was probably looking at the traffic as opposed to looking at me, and he drove straight into the back of me at like 1 or 2 kilometers an hour, but it caused a massive dent. So I'm gonna go and pick up the car now because it's fixed. And then after that, Zoe has a dentist appointment, don't you, Zozo? Oops, you're right. Okay, I gotta get the car seat. Thank you very much. Have a great day. See ya. Let's get out the rain, Zoe. Let's go see how our car looks. There we go. It's as good as new. This is actually a blessing in disguise because when I bought this car, there was a ginormous scratch all along the back. It looked horrible. And so that is all fixed up now. It looks great. I literally dropped the car off one day and then the next day they called me up and said that it was finished. And I was a little bit sus. I was like, I've never had a car repaired that quick before, but from what I can see, it looks like they did a decent job. Of course everybody remembers you. This one, she's full of jokes today. Zoe's got her little trolley going on. I'm just looking for a bird feeder for the birds because I'm kind of attached to those little guys and I want to encourage them to stick around the garden, which they have done so far. My dad actually saved one of their life the other day, which is crazy. So there was a bucket in the backyard that got some water in it, and he went out and he saw the baby bird in the bucket struggling to get out. So luckily he got it out, otherwise it would have drowned. Okay, there we go. We didn't technically find a bird feeder, but I found a bird bath. So what I'm gonna do is just put some bird food in that, and I feel like it should work the same way. Wild bird mix. So since they're wild birds, I assume this is what they'll like. And it's less gross than worms, isn't it? Are you able to carry that? It looks pretty heavy. All right, thanks, helper. Toothbrush as well. There you go. Yeah, it's very cool because you're such a good girl. We're going to the mall now to return this really cute dress that I got Zoe from Seed. It's got these little diamantes all over it, but she said it is too itchy and she refuses to wear it. So I'm gonna go and try and get a refund now, and then we're gonna get her a treat for being so good at the dentist because she was an absolute rock star. That is a very big Snoopy. Let me know in the comments, do your kids know who Snoopy is? It was big when I was a kid, but that is Snoopy. That is a big tree. The kids have been bugging me to put my tree up lately, but I feel like it's still a little bit too early. What do you guys think? I actually really like this shirt, but I already know there's no... Yeah, I knew you wouldn't like it. I know there's no way I'd be able to get Ava into it. Nope, they wouldn't wear any of this stuff.
Well, I did one of these.
You'd wear one of these?
Yeah.
Should we swap your dress for this one?
Mm-hmm.
You like that? Let's see, Zoe. Whoa, that looks so cute. What do you think? You like it? All right, we'll get this one. It's not itchy like the other one?
Yeah.
All right, let's get that one. You look so cute in it. All done at the mall now. We've got to go pick up Ava from school. I had promised Zoe an ice cream for being so good at the dentist, and she's having to eat it in the car so that I'm not late to pick up her sister from school. I am a little bit nervous. I have never allowed anybody to eat ice cream in the car, so you're going to be very careful, right? We're not going to get it anywhere on our clothes or our seat.
Purple is my favorite color.
I didn't like that topic evasion. This is going to be interesting. Wish us luck, guys.
Do you like the color of my ice cream?
I do like the color of your ice cream. Oh no.
Oops.
That's what I was worried about.
I'm gonna eat that piece.
This is gonna make a mess, but I can't break a promise, and I also can't be late to pick up Ava from school, so I'm gonna have to take a hit on this one. Just picked the kids up from school, and we are going to the swimming pool. It does, actually. What's up, big boy? Are you okay, Zaza? The water is nice. Just got home from swimming and I set up the bird feeder. I was racking my brain trying to figure out where to put it because I didn't want to put it under here or anywhere where birds making a mess would bother me. So I decided that I would just put it on my clothes hanger out here, because I never hang clothes out here. I always either use the dryer or I use this thing over here. So I figure over here seemed like the best option.